I say is we rolling. I think we might be. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Roadside Ryder, and I know you see me next to this box truck because you already know they got a flat tire, and that tire is more than flat. That thing is shredded. Good thing they called me to come knock it out. I got a specialty for y'all. I want to show y'all these lug nuts. I wish it was on the other side so I can go over it with you. However, I'm gonna quit the talking and we're gonna get to work because I want to show y'all how this get down. All right, like I said, I'm gonna quit the talking, man. This job officially starts in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. I don't think I've ever worked on an Isuzu with you guys, and the crazy thing is they always have like these special lug nuts. They're directional. All my tire guys, y'all know what time it is. All my mechanics, y'all know what time it is. But for you common folk who ain't never seen this type of stuff, we gonna get into it. So I could have put my floor jack up under here, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use that 20-ton bottle jack, put it on this block of wood to give me about 3 to 4 inches of height, you know, a little leverage. And we just gonna go up on these springs right here. Let's go. We done made contact, baby. Let's go. We're coming up in the world, baby. I think that should be high enough. It's gonna knock this out, man. Now with these Isuzu trucks, they are unique. They got 2 different things going for them that most people will not know. The lug nuts are directional, so if you look right there, that lug nut has the letter R on it. That means if we're on the right hand side, R to tighten. But if we're on the left hand side, you see how they got an L right there? That means you're gonna go to the left to tighten. Everything that you thought you ever knew goes out the window with these. These are directional lug nuts. On the left hand side, L, left to tighten. On the right hand side, R, right to tighten. And I'm finna shut up. Let's get to it. Now the other unique thing that they have going for them, they got a setup called a bud wheel. That means we got a dual axle, but what it is a set of lug nuts to hold the outside tire and then a set of lug nuts to hold the inside tire. You see that's a stud, but that's a lug nut as well. Let me show you what we got going on. Remember, they directional, and those have the letter R on them, so we are gonna go to the left to loosen them. See what I'm saying? Set of lug nuts to hold the inside tire, set of lug nuts to hold the outside, but let's get this thing changed, man. It's hammer time. Again. Jackpot, baby. Now you see how that valve stem poking up like that? We're gonna wanna avoid that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make sure I get to that valve stem last. I don't want that tire coming up and trying to break it. We not doing that. Some of y'all know about that, but some of y'all don't. Let's go on and peel you off. It's coming. You gotta be patient with it, jiggle a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Just like finding a sweet spot. Let me check the valve stem out. That stem look good, boy. I'm going back on with this used Firestone. And this baby look pretty good if I do say so myself. It's time to lube you up though. My lube ain't perfect. I just added some water to it. You see how loose it is? It's gonna thicken up in a little bit. This gonna be the perfect lube you ever seen. But get what? This still gonna do, cause I can put this on here. It's gonna slide right on. Look at that, trying to get me up out my shoes. Calm down. Now let's go. See, I don't want to put that pressure on that valve stem. I'm gonna put the year out. Again, that valve stem gonna be the last place that I go to. I don't want no pressure on it. I probably should have used my other bar, but it's all good. One more pull. Yep, let me grab the other one. Come on. I need you. Slide you in real quick. Sometimes you gotta be ignorant with that thing. I'm gonna crank it up, put that cheetah tank on it. Put that baby back on the truck. Take my black self on to the next customer. How about that? It's my favorite part. Cover your little ears. This might be loud. Come here, baby. Let me put you up, man. Don't hurt nobody. Don't hurt nobody. Let's see what we got. I just feel it that we right at 75. Nah, we over 75. That don't usually happen to me now. I got a feeling again. We're a little over again. Hold on. Third time's a charm. Let's go. 75 on the head. Make sure we put that valve cap back on. We finna go back on with this tire, man. Now remember what I told you about these being a set of lug nuts to hold the inside wheel, right? The trick to that, you don't want to just put them on there and then tighten it down. You want to get your first one started to make sure it goes inside the hole. See how that one, like I wiggled it inside the hole? If I didn't do that and I just slap them on, when I tighten them on, it ain't gonna go in there. But I got that first one lined up. All the rest of them gonna line up as well. I be trying to look out for y'all, man. I need to go in and drop my cash out. Get some money up out you real quick, because I need it. Let's tighten this first tire down, man. Nascar, is you ready? See how it's in there? We good to go. See how that second one went inside there too? All right, time for the outside tire. And remember, we're on the right-hand side, so that means right to tighten. This one right here is specifically for the outer. Let's do this outer, Nascar. We gonna let that jack down. I thank y'all for coming on this job with me. I've never said what I'm about to say on my videos, but I'm gonna say it right now. If you like what you see, you feel like you learned a little something, you were entertained by the nonsense that I say, you respect the grind, like, share, comment, subscribe, do whatever you need to do to make sure that you show your appreciation. And the last thing I almost forgot, hype this video up if you can. Send your boy some hypes, man. I be getting to it on YouTube. And you wanna know what we call this around my way? A success.